Addition and subtraction of surds. So let's do some examples to understand how do we add and how do we subtract surds, right? Okay, so the first example I'm gonna take is if I have a number 3 square root 5 plus 4 square root 5. Okay, now in this addition, the main thing you have to keep it in mind that under this square root sign, the number should be same. If the number is same, then you can easily simplify the addition of surds. If the numbers are different, then it should be decomposed. Otherwise, it's not possible. Now it's 5. 5 is itself a prime number, so we cannot decompose that 5 further, right? But if you have let's say 4, or let's say you have 8, then you can decompose it and you have to make the same number under the radical sign, right? So whenever you have a same number under the root sign, root symbol, you can easily simplify the surd, right? Now here you have root 5, right? We have the same one. So in order to simplify, we can take root. Okay, no need to do this. Okay, so we need to take the 3 common and plus 4 common. Root 5 common. We can take root 5 common. 3 plus 4 is left, right? 3 plus 4 is 7. Root 5. This is a simplified form for the addition of surd, right? So let's do another example when we have a different one, right? So if I have 3 square root of 2 and we have 2 square root 3. Okay, now here you can see here under this root symbol we have 2 and here we have 3. 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers. We cannot decompose 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. So both are different numbers. So what we are supposed to do, the addition of these two surds are not possible. Okay, so this addition is not possible. Okay, there must be the same number under that square root sign, then you can easily add the two numbers to simplify the surd. Okay, now another example, if I can take 6 square root 2 minus 5 square root 2 plus 4 square root 2. Okay, so in order to simplify, you can see this is square root 2 square root 2 square root 2, all are same. We can take it common. 6 minus 5 plus 4, and we can take square root of 2 common, right? Okay, now from 6, if you take away 5, 1 is left. In 1, when you add 4, it's 5. So the simplified answer is 5 square root of 2. Now you can see the addition and subtraction of surd is only possible when you have a same number under that square root sign, right? Okay, so when we have a different number, we and both the numbers are already in the prime number, already both are the prime number, decomposition is not possible, then there is no way to simplify those surds, right? But if the decomposition is possible, let's look at this example. If I have 6 square root of 2 plus square root of 8. Now here you guys can see this is square root of 2 and this is square root of 8. 2 is a prime number but 8 is not a prime number. So means 8 decomposition is possible. We can decompose 8, right? Okay, so let me write this down. Here we can say 6 square root of 2 is as it is. We can decompose 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. We know that 2 cube is 8. Right, now we have to make these two as a pairs. So here we have 6 square root of 2 plus square root, this is 2 square multiply by 2. Okay, now this 6 root 2 plus, split the root sign, so 2 root on 2 square and we have a root on 2. Now this root and this square is cancelled out. Okay, and we are left with 6 root 2 plus 2 times root 2. Now you can see we decomposed this 8 into root 2. Both the roots are same. We have a same number under that root symbol, right? So we must have a same number under that root symbol, then the simplification of surd is possible. Otherwise its simplification is not possible. Here we cannot make it same because 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers. Here we can decompose 8 and we might convert it into square root of 2, and we got it in the square root of 2 sign, right? Okay, now we can take 6 plus 2. Let me take root 2 common. 6 plus 2 is 8, so 8 root 2. This is a simplified expression for this surd, right? So now you understand how do we add and subtract the two surds, but the main concept is under that root sign the number should be same, and if the number is not same then you can decompose it. If that is a composite number you can decompose it, but if the numbers are both the numbers under the radical the square root sign is they are different and both are prime numbers, then that the simplification of those two surds are not possible, right? So the main concept in addition and subtraction of surd is you must have the same number under the root sign. If the numbers are different you have to decompose it, but if both numbers are prime then you cannot decompose it, and those simplifications are not possible. I hope you understand it, but since if you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.